Hey people, so there is this movie called See You Soon on Amazon Prime. It is a Malayalam film and that stars Fahad Fazil, Roshan Matthew, and Darshana Rajendran, And apparently, this entire film has been shot during this lockdown phase. So, uh, it's like the whole movie is it's very different. It's a lot of just these phone screens that are seen on screen, so it's it's quite unique. So literally the actors have done their parts sitting in different corners of the planet, because this movie has basically a lot of footage from UAE, so it's a very, like, it's almost, I would say, it's a hard hitting film, like, I mean, in the start of the movie, you look upon the female character as someone who's suspicious and she's trying to, she's a person that the male character, Roshan Matthew, his character meets her online, and so, they are planning to get married, but she's not very forthcoming with certain details and all, and so then as a audience you wonder, like, maybe he's walking into a trap or something, but in the end, towards the end, you get to know that basically it's like a lot of Indians, Pakistanis, we are, who take up jobs in these Middle Eastern countries, you just become bonded labor there. So, and in some cases, like for women, it's almost like, I think, flesh trade they get sucked into. So it's the kind of film that will really make you think. Yeah, I mean, we are sitting all cozy in cozy places in different countries, like in India, in Pakistan and all, but out in the world there's so much happening. Yeah, it's a reality for people, certain situations. So a film like this will wake you up to the realities of the world. So try and catch it, people. It's called See You Soon. So on that note, even I will see you soon in my next video, which might be sometime tomorrow. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.